Hi, this is Ron Nutter with another edition of TechBytes with Ron Nutter product reviews. Today we're looking at the Klein Tools RT390 circuit analyzer and 3 things you need to know. This is not your father's voltmeter. For those that want to go beyond or need to go beyond just the standard little thing you plug in the wall, okay, is the circuit powered? Is it grounded right? This will help you get there so that you'll know, is it something you can take care of yourself, or do you need to call in the professional? And that's what I hate to call an electrician, but even with a friend who's a master electrician, I'd kind of like to know what's going on, just so that I know if I really need to call them or not. So thing number 1, this is capable of detecting dual wiring faults, which means more than one at a time, including open neutral and open ground. So if you get one of these error indications and you're not sure what it is, look it up just to see what's going on, so that way when you do talk to an electrician, that you can give them the most accurate information possible and help them help you. Thing number 2, you can conduct load testing at 12 amp, 15 amp, and 20 amp. So you can really see if there's a wiring problem. And by I mean wiring problem, if you notice as you get to the end of what I'll call an outlet string, where you've got outlets cascading off each other, well, the further away you get from the source is the potential for having a voltage drop. And at some point you'll get to a voltage level so low that while the device may work, may not have enough power to get started up, or it may periodically go offline. And I've had to deal with some of this. So at least, again, you can help your electrician with having the information and saving you billable time and saving them doing a lot of troubleshooting. They still want to verify this anyway, but at least you've tried to meet them halfway on getting the information they need. You can inspect both AFCI, which is arc fault, circuit interruption, and GFCI, which is ground fault circuit interrupter, by measuring the trip time and trip current. Again, that's important because if you've got devices that are not triggering the way they should, this will help further validate where things need to be looked at, because I had one whole circuit string go dead, and I didn't realize that when GFCI went out, that it basically disconnected the whole circuit. And that surprised me, because I had one circuit come through that I had power for a while. I didn't know there was a problem, and then one of the GFCIs failed in what I will call an open condition, that it wouldn't even reset. And when I did call, trained professional in, he looked at it and says, oh, well, this one's got 2 problems. Number 1, apparently ground fault indicator outlets have to be replaced every 10 years. Even if they're working, apparently they're made for a 10-year lifespan. And this is what he told me. And once he replaced both of them, guess what? Things started working again. So this is a valuable tool to have. It helps increase your learning knowledge. You don't have to get into the outlets and start tapping wires, because it plugs directly into the outlets. So you'll see things from a device's perspective. So take a look at the RT390, and it's something that you may very well want to add to your collection of home tools and make your life just a little bit easier.